In our prior session, we explored unveiling local crafts, witnessing hands molding functional art, fusing tradition, innovation, and Nigerian artisan sustenance. Embarking on dramatic exploration, today, our voyage delves into functions and terminologies in drama, unraveling its essence with creativity. Drama is a captivating art form that conveys stories through performance, evoking emotions, insights, and connections among audiences. Key functions of drama. 1. Cultural legacy. Drama preserves and shares cultural heritage, passing down traditions to future generations. 2. Team unity. Drama nurtures teamwork among cast, crew, and audience, enriching the collective experience. 3. Values conveyance. Drama imparts life lessons through compelling stories, shaping moral understanding. 4. Society's mirror. Drama reflects history and current events, offering insights into societal dynamics. 5. Healing art. Drama heals emotionally, providing catharsis for both actors and spectators. 6. Joyful leisure. Drama entertains, catering to those seeking pleasure and amusement. 7. Tolerance promotion. Drama fosters understanding, bridging gaps and promoting harmony in society. 8. Diverse education. Drama educates through diverse narratives, expanding perspectives and sparking intellect. Dramatic terminology. Drying up. A scenario where a cast member suddenly forgets their lines during a performance. Climax. The pinnacle of tension within a dramatic work, heightening intrigue and engagement. Rehearsal. The preparatory phase involving practice and refining of a play or performance before the main presentation. Stage fright. The apprehension experienced by a cast member when facing the audience before or during a performance. Playwriting. The creative process of crafting plays from imagination or real-life situations, often divided into acts and scenes. Playwrights and scriptwriters are central to playwriting. Flashback. A narrative device involving a sudden return to a past event, enriching the storyline's depth. Suspense. A dramatic technique aimed at piquing viewers' curiosity and eagerness to discover the outcome of impending actions, fostering anticipation for the subsequent scenes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.